Number 1.
AR Blue Clean's new S line of electric power washers offers unmatched durability, power, and ease of use. From compact and portable to a fully integrated hose, professional wand, and all the accessories. Quality features that get the job done faster. Convenient electric power means no gas, excessive noise, and virtually maintenance-free. With solid built-in components, cleanup is a breeze. AR Blue Clean's new S-Line has the right power washer for your demanding cleaning projects.
Number 2. Number 3.
Introducing the 13-amp 1500 psi electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the quick connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40-degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot-long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1500 psi pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1500 psi pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Number 4.
Meet the all-new Karcher K1700 Cube. Electric and easy to use with the power and compact portability to get things done. Simply hook up, turn on, and wash. The Cube generates 1700 psi of true pressure cleaning power. Clean your patio furniture and garage doors, or even restore your home's exterior. The Cube quickly cleans your house, deck, and driveway, or your car, and kids' play areas. Karcher. Cleaner, quicker. The compact and portable Cube has power for deep cleaning, an assortment of quick connect nozzles, an onboard detergent tank, and durable all-metal hose connections, with a sturdy metal carrying handle. You operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. And a handy storage bin holds the hose, spray gun, or whatever you need. With Karcher, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility. Karcher pressure washers give you the power to complete projects quickly so your home looks like new again. Karcher makes a difference.
Number 5.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.